All right, ladies and gentlemen, how are we? We're just going to look through, today we're going to look through S&P 500, global news, trading news, and then some technicals. So if you like any of that, like and subscribe. If not, it's all cool. We're no guru, nothing like that. We're just the daily financial meditations that I'm going through. So anyway, we'll quickly, overall S&P 500, normal day really. It's up 0.24%. So NASDAQ is up, I think, 0.1%, and Dow Jones 0.32. So everywhere is up at the moment, but the S&P is taking all-time highs at the moment. So again, Anyway, overall, nothing too crazy. I had a look through a lot of the news before, but nothing really sticks out. No, nothing too controversial or nothing like that. But Nvidia had a Q2 earnings, so I already been through it a little bit. So overall, Nvidia is just a cool looking company. I think most of the talk about Nvidia is whether it's overpriced, but to be fair, they're making cool stuff. I've got a 5000 series GPU in my computer. They do make quality stuff, whether it's as big as company. I think that's more to talk. What I hear anyways, whether it is worth that much, but it is the leader in a lot of AI stuff, and it is a big company anyway. But these are your three: market cap, enterprise value, and income. So they're your big three. But overall, I read this article before, so it's a shout out to the Motley Fool. So it's by Beth McKenna, 27th of August. So just going through key numbers as well, and it's a cool write up. But revenue, fiscal year Q2 25, 30 billion. So fiscal Q2 26 is 46 billion. So that's what they're projecting for this time next year. So pretty crazy stuff still. And anyway, we'll move on. Overall market news, nothing too crazy, just the normal world news, I guess. Stock news is pretty much taken over by a lot of Nvidia stuff at the moment, just because who they are and what they represent, I guess, in the market, especially with the Mag 7, pretty much all tech stocks, I guess. We'll move on to, where are we? So we're Thursday. So crude oil inventories, so pretty self-explanatory. FOMC member Barkin speaks. So it's why the consumer matters. Probably you could look it up now. It's ready, been and done. So if you want to read the transcript, I'm sure they have it. ANZ business confidence. So 2,000 businesses about the overall health of the economy. Private AUD news, private capital expenditure. See how much more money private businesses are spending. So overall health, CHEF, gross domestic product, change in prices of goods and services. So nothing too crazy. Euro is, M3 is pretty much all currency circulation, not used by it, and it isn't used by the US anymore. So that might become more relevant. I know Australia uses M3 metrics as well, but I think what was it? US stopped using them like 20 years ago or something like that. I think it was like 2006. So anyway, European Central Bank. So new loans for consumer and business. So probably something to tune into if you're trading Euro pairs. Italian 10-year bond auction. So to be fair, I don't know much about bonds, so and all these auctions and all that. So something that I would like to get a bit more cluey with and all that. But yields, bonds, all that, I'm not really too sure about, to be fair. So European Central Bank monetary policy meeting. So pretty much in the name, it's just a monetary policy. So they're just talking about overall health and all that. So CAD. So current account is a difference in imported and exported goods. It is quarterly, and yeah, they're just gauging the price, I guess. So prelim, we did that before. So yeah, gross domestic product. So this is the prelim. So there's the advanced one that comes before. So that is a more potent report to read or whatever, but it's still red news, and yeah, it is American news, so high impact news. So yeah, I don't know, I should have looked it up before the video, but yeah, I'll look up when the advance is or whatever. But yeah, anyway, unemployment claims, pretty self-explanatory. How many people are unemployed, I guess. And then yeah, just gauging, all these are just gauging the differences of prelim GDP, just gauging the difference of prices and services. So it's just index, I guess, in the name pretty much. And then pending home sales by the US is, home sales, nothing, it's pretty much in the name. I can't really explain too much more than that. Anyway, we'll move on to Euro. So Euro since last night has taken, and nothing in this video is financial advice, by the way. So anyway, since last night it was kind of consolidating and has taken this low. So you kind of wanted to break out a bit. So even that there's heaps of inner structure here, if you went on higher time frames, like this whole area would probably be something of importance, I would say. So that would more merge into one candle and all the rest, but at least it's kind of breaking out. But it could, there's a lot of faking out that could happen up here. So yeah, we'll just see. Definitely more waiting for, you could wait for bigger trades instead of intraday trading, because I think in the markets, the more you trade, the less money you make over time. So yeah, we'll just wait and see. This is still Asia ends in a few more hours, so we'll wait for these boxes to stop, I guess, and go from there. So pound USD, same, like you're pretty much breaking, you want to at least break out of this area, but it's just might move around in those kind of areas for another couple of days. So that's how people lose money. Like, it's easy to kind of, not easy, but people make money on uptrends, downtrends. But then when it goes sideways, a lot of people get, retail traders get a bit nervous or a bit greedy because they've made money coming down here. So they think they know what's happening in between big areas. So anyway, so USDMX is same as yesterday. So nothing too crazy. It kind of broke out, but didn't. And then, yeah, you'd probably, maybe, we'll have a look. So yeah, around these areas, these liquidities would be where, what is it? Or maybe I'm wrong. Actually, scratch that. We'll just move on. So yeah, just moving, consolidating, nothing too crazy. So, but yeah, then again, like a lot of people would want to be trading every day. Apart from taking these like liquidities, there's really nothing. So S&P 500. So yeah, that's up 0.24%, as I was saying before. So, and it is taking all-time highs. So it was almost there for a little bit. But now it has. So all-time highs again. So I'm sure a lot of people would be going crazy about that as of, on YouTube or wherever. Like, so I think a lot of people are losing hope because they just don't know if it's a part of like a 60-year cycle with all these, like, this is just part of a computer cycle, an AI cycle, and all this that could last for 40 more years, or if it's just going to turn around and everyone's going to eat the dirt, I guess. But anyway, so yeah, NASDAQ is still retracing up a bit from those all-time highs that you saw on the 14th. So just consolidating. Tech stocks are just hovering around, so no one really knows. A lot of news on tech stocks though, so I think they're getting a bit more volatile, but anyway. And then Dow Jones, you had that all-time high set on the 23rd, so it may be retracing up to that, but we don't know. As I've said before, I don't know much about indexes and stuff like that, so I don't know really what affects them, but I'm keen to learn and stuff like that. So it's all interesting stuff to me. But yeah, just charting wise, haven't really watched them for a long time. So anyway, yeah, cheers guys. If you like it, yeah, please like and comment if you got anything, because yeah, be nice to talk to someone. But anyway, cheers. Thanks guys. Bye.